Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to be looking at that how can we implement error handling in JavaScript. So basically, I do have an object with the properties of name and age. And what I will do, I will wrap it up inside the try catch. Inside the try, I will say object.name, and inside the catch, I will console.log out the error. But in our case, it will print it out the David. Why? Because object.name does exist in our JavaScript file. But let's suppose I try to console any variable that is not defined in our JavaScript file, like test, then you will notice that it is returning me reference error, but our code is not broken. Let me show you why. If I come over here after alert, try catch, and if I try to alert anything, then you will notice that our alert has been successfully triggered with a text of hello, right? But if I copy it and if I comment it out our try catch, and then you will notice that our JavaScript code has been broken. Why? Because we are not using the error handling using try catch. So at the line number 5, when JavaScript compiler saw that we do have a variable of test, and it tried to find the reference of that variable test, and it did not found. So this is why it returned the reference error, and our JavaScript file got broken at line number 5. But the advantage of using try catch is in a case of any error, instead of syntax error, right? In case if you are getting any reference error or any custom error you are trying to create, it will catch inside the catch block, and inside the try block you will write any logic which you want to be implement which you want to implement inside your JavaScript program. So it is a good practice to wrap up your coding functionality inside the try catch block. It is a good practice to do that, and I will definitely advise you to use the try catch blocks. So it is very useful, right? So one more thing I want to tell you about the catch block. So over here we do have error. Obviously I have named it as an error. If you want, you can do something like this as well, right? As you can see right over here, it returns us error. But in case you want to know the type only for any purpose, then you can be able to access it using err.name. And if you want to get the message only, then you can say err.message. Alright, as you can see that it is giving us a message only with a cannot be able to find variable test. Or if you want, you can, let me just comment it out, you can pass the custom message something went wrong. Alright, so we are receiving something went wrong. So this is how you can perform the error handling inside your JavaScript program. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.